Personal hygiene is not just about smelling good, it's about feeling confident and keeping yourself healthy. Confidence comes with staying clean, but what are the best practices for a healthy, happy you? Buckle up, because we are going to reveal some hygiene hacks that will bring the freshest version of you. First up, we all know that showering is important to keep you clean, fresh, and avoid getting sick. Use lukewarm water and a good cleanser when showering. Pay extra attention to the sweaty zones of your body like your feet, your armpit, and behind your ears. Remember, deodorant is your best friend against fighting odor. Apply it to clean, dry skin after showering. Next comes the hack to freshen up your breath. Brush your teeth twice a day for 2 minutes each time. Use a fluoride toothpaste for optimal cleaning. Don't forget to floss once a day to get rid of food particles stuck between your teeth. One of the simplest and most effective ways to prevent the spread of germs is to wash your hands. Washing hands for 20 seconds after using the bathroom, before eating, and after being in public places keeps you healthy and prevents diseases. Remember, your face sweats too. So, wash your face twice a day using a gentle cleanser that suits your skin type. Moisturize your skin after cleaning to prevent dryness and irritation. So, there you have it. Hygiene hacks help you unlock a whole new level of confidence, improve your social circle, and keep you healthy and happy. Mastering these hygiene hacks can make you feel absolutely amazing, so apply these hacks and steal the show wherever you go.